Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the SIM is active and the phone shows signal. This prevents false results. Open Settings, go to About Phone, then Status or SIM Status so you can see the registry fields. Once done, note any displayed number strings. If blank, proceed with a live test. Make sure a second phone is nearby to receive a call or SMS for confirmation. This is the first actionable check that proves the number in use belongs to your SIM. Now you perform a live caller test. From the target phone, place a call or send an SMS to the second device. Listen and watch the recipient screen. The received caller ID or message header will show the exact digits your carrier uses. Once that number appears, write it down in national format to avoid ambiguity. If the displayed number differs from settings, the live test is authoritative because carriers control outbound ID formatting, and it reveals how your number is broadcast. To finish, confirm the live displayed number against your carrier account records. Log in or call support with your SIM IXID if there's a mismatch. Reboot the phone and reinsert the SIM, or test the SIM in another handset to determine whether the issue is device-specific. If problems persist, the single most effective troubleshooting step is asking the carrier to reprovision the SIM. Most incorrect or missing numbers are resolved on their side. Keep the test call evidence handy when you contact support.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.